guys,
Maddie, how do you have red dye? Thing. I got that. You got the blue.
well, since you used some of my clay, well, did you?
No.
Because some of my clay is gone and your hands are only red.
No, because I had this much clay.
Well, I just put blue and white together and I made purple. Not purple, red.
That doesn't work like that. That makes light blue.
That makes red.
Makes light blue, Paul.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some more glitter.
Guys, we're once 5 minutes is up, we're going to be done. Got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some more.
Guys, look at this. I stole some of her blue and it's still red.
Okay, guys.
So I'm gonna use some more glue. You can't add more glue because it's gonna be too big for the container.
I know, I'm not gonna add a lot.
It's gonna be too big for the container though. Okay, let's see. I need to activate this. Wait, first I need to use cup. Hey, Maddie! Maddie! Maddie!
How much glitter have you put in?
Not a lot.
I haven't put in any because I didn't get glitter.
Okay, guys, so I made red and blue, so so these can be a little bit details. Those are details. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some.
Are you copying me?
No, Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some more water.
I already forgot about water. Uh-oh, guys, I forgot to use my water. What am I gonna do?
Okay, guys, I'm activating my slime, and it's looking pretty good. See? I'm just activating it. So.
2.5 minutes left.
Oh my god, guys, we gotta hurry up. Hers is already activated. I gotta continue. Guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more activator.
Guys, mine's already activated, and hers isn't activated yet. I feel like I'm gonna win this. Because if hers isn't activated, by the time that timer goes off, I'm gonna automatically win because he won't be able to touch it. But mine is able to
Guys,
touch.
it's activated. It's so great. Now I can touch it with my hands. And hands are faster at mixing than spoons.
Especially if you use the handle.
Yep. Okay, guys, I have to hurry up.
Guys, I'm feeling like she copied me on the clay idea. But I don't think she did because I'm gonna do something completely different.
Okay, guys, I'm getting all of my slime, and it's actually gonna be pretty easy to do what I'm doing with my clay, because I'm gonna decorate it. Decorate the clay, and it's gonna be really pretty.
Pause it.
And this guy's gonna like it.
All right, everyone, 45 seconds.
Oh no!
Finish everything up fast. Glitter, toppings, anything you can.
Okay, guys. There's glitters on my side. That's what I want it to be, because glitter on the side is really nice, because it makes it nice. I'm gonna activate my slime a little bit more because I don't want it to be sticky when Skylar touches it.
So,
Same, I need some activator too. Actually,
what
it's
are
not
you
that sticky.
What are you planning in the next 10 seconds?
What?
Okay, guys, I'm still mixing, and I'm mixing it.
Finish.
Now we can do presentation.
Finish what you're doing.
All you have to do is presentation.
You can put your clay in, and while the other person is going,
You should turn
which
that off,
Kaya
Skylar.
will be going first.
Why?
You can put the glitter in.
No, I'm not done yet.
I'm not done either.
No.
Guys, you get another 10 seconds. Got it?
Yep.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hands up.
Off.
Maddie, just drop it and hands up. Maddie, you have to drop it.
Drop it. Remember, you can put in your glitter and mix in that.
No, she can't. No, she can't. You're not allowed to do that anymore.
You can mix that stuff in while I'm interviewing her.
Okay. This is my slime. I chose to keep it out of the container. I mean, in the container. Should I do some ASMR for you?
Hey, sure.
Okay.
But first, I get one poke.
No, not inside the thing. Just right here in the corner. Okay, thank you.
A little wet.
Yeah, because I put perfume on it last second. Guys, this is going to be a great butter slime. And at the very end, he gives out points.
Hey, yes. I am going to be giving out points. Now, you better see who the winner is, or else you'll never know. How far can you stretch it?
I'll do that in a minute. Maddie, you're not supposed to be doing that.
And taking the glitter off my hands. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, you ready?
That's a pretty far stretch.
It's too stretchy, guys.
I can't fit it all on the camera.
Now you can.
She stole one of my glitter!
No, it didn't. I don't know what you're talking
Kaya!
about. She stole some of my paint.
Fair.
Yeah, but I didn't steal your glitter because you don't have any.
I know, but you stole my paint.
It's a back and forth. Yeah, can you make a bubble?
Sneeze. Can I make a bubble with butter slime? That's impossible. We both have butter slime. It's impossible to make bubbles.
Butter slime.
P.S. guys, I'm not that good with slime. Just telling you.
So yeah, you can't make bubbles with butter slime. So that's no. And she has butter slime too. So. Okay, guys, you ready for some better ASMR?
Yeah,
Ready? Here's my ASMR.
you get to do
Get it
one.
up close. Get it up close.
You get to do one more trick with your slime before I move on.
When I'm done with my ASMR. And when we're done, guys, we're going to be doing a slime smoothie. How much time are we at?
This one.
8 minutes. We only have 15 minutes to record this.
All right. Choose your final trick. Poking, cracking,
I can
stretching.
Okay, I got this, guys. You ready?
bubble.
Oh, I guess you can make a bubble with it. You ready?
All right. That
No.
was your final trick.
No, because you get 20 seconds of...
You get 10 more seconds. 5. Well, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up for you.
Okay.
Time to move on.
This is my slime, guys, and it's a butter slime, and it has glitter, and I really like glitter, so
Pretty cool.
yeah, it makes it nice, and you guys can see the red
so
inside.
Can you show me your ingredients?
Okay, so I had some glitter, golden glitter.
Which means you did take some.
So...
And you took a lot.
No, I didn't. That was the stuff on the table.
Oh, okay.
And I used shaving foam, blue dye, clay.
You have to be fast.
Some water.
So, well, you did take her red paint.
Yes, it's because she took my glitter.
And some lotion and perfume.
And perfume and foam soap. She also took foam soap.
A little bit. Just one squirt.
No, you took 3. I saw you.
Actually, one squirt.
4 things to wait. 2. Yeah, you took some of her.
I took some of her paint and some of her glitter, and she took 4 of my things.
Yeah, and that's
'cause
gonna
there's
be
certain
that's
things
gonna
that
be
you
minus
need to
1
snap.
point.
Remember, you have to do points at the
Since
end.
you took 4 things, I'm doing this. But it will be minus 1 point in the end. Since she took 4 of my things, I'm gonna put a little bit more glitter. And
Skylar,
that's
do you
good.
want an ASMR?
Yeah, sure. Let me poke it.
Okay.
He has to poke it once.
All right.
Okay, let me make it into both though.
All right.
We only have 4 minutes left.
Yeah, not very sticky, but 1 glitter stuck. Not
That
that big of a
happens.
deal. Let me just put it back. Oh, got 2. 3. 2. 1.
Okay, she gets
1
one more minute. She gets 1 more minute. Just
Okay,
go like
yeah,
this,
just
Skylar.
use it.
Skylar, just go like this.
Yeah, I got it off.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, guys. So, do you want me to poke
you
it? ASMR.
You
Yeah.
have 40 seconds left.
Good.
Hear this, guys. Shush.
All right. Oh,
Hers isn't as much as a butter slime as mine.
Yeah. It's not as much as
once the minute is up.
Yeah.
Once the minute is
Putting it
no.
in. I'm not putting it
Give
in.
it
That's
back.
my clay.
once the time, when the time is up, which you have 15 seconds. One more trick.
Okay.
I will go on to
You'll
vote.
Pause it for a little bit. You'll pause it while you tell us the points. 4,
Bubbles.
2, 1, 0. Okay, so we already have no points. Since she took 4 of my things, she has minus 1 point, but she did get the presentation point, but she's still at 0, and I am at 0, so
No.
that's pretty nice.
And everyone was allowed to get 1 more item.
I got red glitter, and she got this blue glitter, which she never got to use. I feel bad for her. She never got to use her glitter.
But you can use it now.
Yeah, and then
It's
you'll
a-
have to activate it because it makes it really sticky. So we'll see if she's ready.
All right.
So do I get a point for prettiness?
Nothing stuck. Good. The smell's a little strong,
And I'll
but
do
that's
some
that's okay.
ASMR since I got new glitter in it.
The red glitter is pretty cool.
And I'm still mixing it in. That's why you can't see it right now.
All right. I'll give you another 30 seconds to get everything you want in, Maddie.
Okay.